Today we are creating a scrolling text animation where your text moves upward in a continuous loop. It's perfect for credit style animations or any edit that needs a flowing text effect. Let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text, then tap Add Text. Enter the text you want. Longer sentences or lists work really well with this effect. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a clean, readable font. This helps the scrolling motion look smooth and easy on the eyes. Now, tap the Animation tab, move to the Loop section, and look for Scroll Up. Tap it, and you'll instantly see your text moving upward in a continuous scrolling motion. Below the preview, adjust the duration slider. Slide left for a fast upward scroll. Slide right for a slow, relaxed scroll. Pick the speed that suits your project. Fast for energetic edits, slow for cinematic or aesthetic ones. And that's it. You've created a clean and smooth scrolling text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.